I got the major of...
Look at that shit.
Wow. Thank you, Lord.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, baby. Fill
Wow.
it up.
Another major. Come on, one more time.
Yes.
It happens, right?
It does.
Wow. I wasn't expecting that.
I know.
I was just playing. Like,
God.
yeah, the good thing about it was somebody won the major earlier, so it's twice in a row. Come on, don't end.
I know that's right.
Okay, it's all good. Woo.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Yes, baby.
Woo.
I love it. That was wonderful.
So, oh, so I wonder. So the whatever was the major earlier, she was playing like 10 cents, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's why I was like surprised. Why is 578? I think this one.
So it was probably
Yeah.
at 1,000.
Oh,
and
yeah.
somebody played on it over and over and
Gotcha.
over again. So
Yeah.
build it back up. So